what's up, Shredder? Mike here. Do you ever try to launch someone's kite and then this happens? Oh my God! Getting pushed by the kite isn't fun, and it's super easy to avoid. It happens when the kiter is too far upwind of the launcher. Here are 3 simple steps to avoid this problem. 1. Walk slightly downwind away from your kite until your lines are tight. 2. Walk upwind, watching the canopy as you walk. If the canopy is flapping, the kite isn't ready to launch. 3. Once the canopy stops flapping, then your kite is in the right position and it's ready to launch. Now be careful, don't keep walking or your kite will start to push the launcher. This is the mistake that most people make. If you're about to launch someone and can see that they're about to put you downwind, then you can keep their kite on the ground or flip it on its back so it can't fly. You can then proceed to give them a yellow card and tell them to go more downwind. Please be sure to subscribe to help me reach 30K subs. If you want to help your friends have more fun on the water, then share this video in a WhatsApp group or on Facebook or wherever you like to share things. Maybe it's facts, I don't know. Also, I've made another video for you and I think you're gonna love it. You can watch that one over here and you can subscribe over here. Muchos besos. Adios.